Hello students, welcome back to online class. First of all, I would like to welcome you all for even semester of the academic year. I know at present what thoughts are running in your mind. Let me clear that your odd semester exams, that is exams which are yet to be conducted, are postponed, not cancelled. Okay, let me tell you once again, let me repeat once again, your odd semester exams are postponed, not cancelled. Okay, so once government unlocks, exams will be conducted. So do not be in a thought that you will be promoted without the exams. Okay, that is, do not think that you are going to be promoted without conducting the remaining exams. The exams will be conducted by the universities once government unlocks the city. Okay, so start studying and start preparing for remaining exams. Okay, now we'll come to the online class. Let me introduce myself first. I am Professor Shruti Joshi. Hope you people all know me because in odd semester I used to take some classes for 5th semester D division. Okay, now for this even semester I will be dealing with auditing subject, that is modern auditing and practice. The name of the subject is modern auditing and practice. Okay, for that too for 6th semester. Okay, so let's begin today's first class of your modern auditing and practice subject. Okay, in today's class we'll discuss regarding syllabus of the subject. Okay, what is the syllabus, what all we are going to study in the subject for this even semester, that will understand one by one. So shall we begin? Okay, let's start. That is, you have first unit called as Introduction to Auditing. That is, you're going to study the auditing meaning, its definition, its evolution. Evolution is nothing but the history of the auditing. Then objectives, that is goals of the auditing, why the auditing will be done. Okay, then importance. Okay, then types of audit, that is the audit is divided on the basis of ownership, and on the basis of ownership what are the different types of the audit, like proprietorship, partnership, companies, trust, cooperative societies, government departments. Okay, and on the basis of time, okay, audit has a different types like interim, final, continuous, balance sheet. And on the basis of objectives it is classified into independent, financial, internal, cost, tax, government and secretarial. So in first unit or in first chapter you are going to study the meaning, definition, history of the audit, why auditing is necessary, why it has gained the importance, and the different types on the basis of the different terms. Okay, and the different types you will be studying in this unit. Okay, next unit is planning of audit and control. That is, in this unit you are going to understand who is auditor. Okay, what qualification he will be required, and on the basis of what he will be disqualified. Okay, and what are his qualities, his appointment, how his appointment will be done in the company, and his reappointment. Okay, then what remuneration will be given to the auditor, then removal, his rights, his duties, then liabilities. Okay, that you are going to study in the second unit. And audit planning. Okay, you are going to understand the term audit planning, then engagement letter, then audit program and audit notebook. Okay, and audit papers, how the audit notebooks will be managed, how the audit papers will be verified, then audit workbook, audit contents, audit markings, internal check, internal control, okay, which includes like sales book, purchases, fixed assets, cash, bank, payroll, okay, then accounting controls and sampling in audit. So in total, in second unit, you are going to study the auditor, who is auditor, his qualities, his qualifications, his remuneration, and you are going to understand the audit planning and audit controls, and you can say audit markings, internal controls, okay, and accounting controls. The next is unit third, which will be including like watching. What is watching? That is the meaning you are going to understand. You are going to understand the term. Then you are going to understand the cash and trading transactions of watching. Then audit of financial statement you are going to study, then investigation, then verification and evaluation of assets and liabilities. Okay, how assets and liabilities will be verified and how it will be valued, okay, that we are going to study. Then differences between watching, investigation, verification and valuation we are going to understand in the unit 3. Okay, next comes is unit 4, okay, which is nothing but audit of financial statements. In this unit you are going to understand audit of receipts, payments, sales, purchases, fixed assets, investments, personal ledger, then inventories, capital and reserves, then other assets, other liabilities, how auditing will be done of a financial statement. Okay, the financial statement includes what? These receipts, payments, sales, purchases, okay, fixed assets, investments. So verification of these transactions of financial systems or information which are provided in financial statements, how they will be verified or auditing will be done for the financial statement, that we are going to understand or study in the unit 4. The last unit, that is unit 5, is nothing but report writing. That is, after verifying the accounts of a particular company, which is nothing but called as a auditing, auditor has to give report to the company. He has to give suggestions, his opinions, and he has to correct the errors in accounts of the companies. For that purpose, at the end of the auditing, he will be preparing the report. Okay, so in the last unit, we are going to understand this audit report writing. So this includes structure of that audit reports, okay, then preparation of routine reports and special reports, which will be known as 3CA, 3CB and 3CD forms. Okay, see, we are going to study them, we are going to understand them while studying that unit. Okay, now you just understand that what terms we are going to study in the last unit. Okay, so this is your syllabus regarding auditing subject. So in this even semester, we are going to study all these topics in this subject. Okay, hope you people will be waiting for the next video, as the subject is very interesting, okay, and it is fully commerce subject. So it will be very interesting once we will start discussing, once we will start studying. Even though it is a theory subject, you will find it very interesting. Okay, so we'll start the first unit in the next class. Okay, so we'll meet you all or we'll see you all in the next class. Thank you.